like blue lava. It's so hot that it can melt metal. And guess what? This incredible blue fire is pretty much a one-of-a-kind thing. You won't find it happening anywhere else in the world. The lost city of the Kalahari, hidden beneath the sandy deserts of the Kalahari, a vast and dry place in Africa covering parts of Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa, lies a mystery dating back to the late 1800s. Canadian explorer Guillermo Farini claimed to have discovered an ancient city in the heart of the desert, describing it as a substantial pile of stones featuring intricate blocks and possibly even a temple or tomb. But here's where it gets interesting. Many people doubted Farini's story because nobody else could prove he was right. Over the years, lots of groups tried to find this lost city, and none of them succeeded. Some even saw weird things like an old boat or a rock pit right in the middle of the desert. Some scientists say it's just a mix-up, that what people think is a city might actually be natural rocks. But what if the lost city of the Kalahari is out there, hiding under the desert sands, just waiting to be discovered? Eternal Flame Fall. There's a beautiful but strange place in New York where fire and water dance together, creating a magical sight that catches the eye of the curious and even leaves the experts scratching their heads. This spot, known as the Eternal Flame Fall, is no ordinary waterfall. It's a spectacle that's as mysterious as it is stunning. Now take a closer look, and you'll notice something intriguing. There's no wood to keep this eternal flame burning. So what's the secret behind this waterfall's everlasting fire? Well, that's where things get really interesting. People have come up with all sorts of ideas, but the true origin and the gas that fuels the flame remain a bit of a puzzle. Scientists have done their homework, and here's what they found. The gas is mostly methane, with a sprinkle of ethane, propane, and butane. But at least they agreed it's not coming from your usual sources. It's believed to come from a super ancient stash of organic matter tucked deep underground for millions of years. And besides being a scientific wonder, this place is also a hub of legends and stories. Some folks think the flame has a spiritual or paranormal vibe. There are tales of time tricks, ghost sightings, and other strange happenings near the falls. Whether you're into scenic hikes, scientific mysteries, or a touch of mystical adventure, the Eternal Flame Falls is a spot that's definitely worth checking out. Who knows, you might uncover the secrets behind this eternal flame or stumble upon some of its mystical tales. Hessdalen Lights, Norway. In the quiet Norwegian town of Hessdalen, something strange is lighting up the sky. Instead of stars, people see hundreds of mysterious lights, some as big as cars, randomly shining in the night sky. These lights don't follow any rules. They just pop up randomly and stick around for hours, creating a celestial show. Now, these odd lights aren't as common as they used to be, but they still make appearances. What's causing this cosmic light display? Scientists have tossed around a bunch of ideas. Some think it could be cosmic rays or piezoelectricity, while others point fingers at ball lightning or ionized gases. The thing is, none of these theories have been proven for sure. The Devil's Kettle, Minnesota, in the heart of Judge C.R. Magny State Park in Minnesota, lies a natural mystery that has puzzled both hikers and scientists for ages: the Devil's Kettle Falls. Here, along the Brule River near Lake Superior's north shore, souls, Derinkuyu held within its labyrinthine embrace all the essentials for a population to vanish seamlessly from invaders. Qin Shi Huang's tomb, the imperial riddle. In 1974, Chinese farmers found a massive terracotta army meant to guard Emperor Qin Shi Huang in the afterlife. These clay soldiers were created to protect the first Chinese emperor. While we understand why they were made, where the emperor is buried, and what treasures lie with him remains a mystery. Ancient documents describe Emperor Qin Shi Huang's tomb as a luxurious underground palace, surrounded by a kind of kingdom. Even today, researchers are puzzled, trying to uncover the secrets of this enigmatic tomb. Potom Crater, Russia, enigmatic nest of Siberia. Rising 131 feet, it resembles a giant bird's nest, with an egg nestled within. Initially thought to be a result of a meteor strike, the absence of meteorite fragments puzzled researchers, leading them to reconsider their theories. Adding another layer to the mystery is the landscape surrounding Potom Crater, where, despite the dense forest, no trees take root, let alone grow. There have also been reports of strange happenings nearby, and despite efforts to uncover its origin, Patam crater remains a riddle, firmly establishing itself as one of Russia's enduring mysteries. Nazca Lines, Peru, ancient canvas in the desert sky. Across 170 square miles of arid Peruvian land, the Nazca Lines unfold as an ancient masterpiece. These enormous geoglyphs, resembling carefully crafted drawings, portray animals and people when observed from the sky. Originating around 500 BCE, artists are thought to have revealed the art by removing the top layer of black stone, exposing the contrasting white sand beneath. As we gaze upon this awe-inspiring creation, we are confronted with a question of purpose. What motivated the artists of this ancient civilization to craft such intricate and massive images, visible only from high above? Well, no one has been able to give answers, so the Nazca Lines remain veiled in the mysteries of time. Doubletree of Casorzo in Italy, nature's quirky conundrum. Casorzo, Italy holds a botanical secret that challenges the norms of science. The locally renowned Albero di Casorzo, or Doubletree of Casorzo. Imagine standing in a vast field, where at one angle it might seem like a clever camera trick, two trees perfectly aligned. However, this isn't a photographic illusion but a genuine marvel, a cherry tree growing atop a mulberry tree. Against all scientific odds, both trees thrive healthily, defying the laws of nature. Friends, thanks for exploring with us on Grand Discovery. For more amazing revelations, click now on the next video that pops up on your screen. It's unbelievable